Alright, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a fry on my mirror here and see what happens. Alright, there we go. It's on my mirror. Alright.
One's coming in, I think.
And if I see one go to the other mirror, I will flip it over there. But right now...
One got... no.
Almost reminds me of the movie of the birds, or The Birds, from years ago, but...
Oh, that one was going.
Pretty close, eh?
Guys, there's fry here.
You know what I think? Oop. What I think the problem is there's too many people around here right now. When we were sitting here by ourselves, there wasn't really a big issue with this, but for some reason they seem to be intimidated by other people. But you know what? I can understand that. So in a lot of ways, I'm intimidated by people as well.
I got 2 fries.
That's why I like cars. Oh, here comes one. Oh, is he coming in? Oh, no, he didn't.
Watch it in back window.
No. We don't want to do too much, Grady.
Oh my god, this is soaking wet.
Well, yeah, it's raining outside, silly boy.
I bet one will land here.
No, I don't think it'll land there. It's too close to you. Like I said, they're kind of intimidated by us.
Guys!
Okay, back up a little bit, Grady. Back up. Let's see what happens. Here he comes. He's circling around. Ooh. You know, a lot of people find seagulls aggravating and kind of pain in the butt. It's kind of like crows and magpies as well, I would think. But I don't really much, for the most part, have a problem with the birds. Yeah, it's starting to really. Oh, he's on our hood. Oh, he's gonna walk over and get my French fry. Where'd he go? Oh, come on, you guys, it's right there. Here, let me just see if I can help him out here a little bit. Yeah, we'll throw it on the hood and see what happens. It's on the hood. And he got it. Ha-ha!
One more!
Alright, Grady's going to throw one more on the hood and see what happens here.
Oh my...
Is it sitting on the hood?
Yeah, they got it.
You got it. Alright, so I think it's time to bag it in. That was...
Fun?
That was fun, yeah. I have to admit it was fun. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed what you saw and want to see more of this sort of stuff, regardless if it's cars or whatever, if you enjoyed it, please give us the thumbs up. And if you want to be notified if we post new videos.
Or subscribe.
Or subscribe, yeah. Hit the bell to let you know when we have new videos, or please subscribe. That'd be awesome. I have a few things in the works. A couple of them are cars again. One is a VW Cabriolet, and the second one is a BMW 318i, which I have the tires for in the back there. We just picked them up from
Canadian Tire.
And look, Grady, turn around. There's a seagull sitting on the bed of our truck.
Doing what?
I have no idea. He's just hanging out, I guess, until we start moving. Anyway, so if you enjoy our videos, please let us know. And yeah, till the next video, you guys, be safe.
Bye, seagull.
And look after each other. We will chat with you later. Bye-bye.